Okay, I'm going to try to show you how I put the Kam Snap on my Pretty in Stitches bow so that I could put it on a headband or a clip-on. So here it is on a headband, so you can see it. Alright, so I put, sorry for the thread, so I put it together the way I wanted to see it. Okay, and then I just have one of my clips holding the snap. Okay, so I'm going to try to do this on camera. So there's one that goes under and one that goes over. And excuse my nails. I was kind of bedbound and I had nothing better to do except take off my nail polish. So for the vinyl, to make sure that they attach really, really well, I have these 20 long, and I was going to get fancy and pull out one of my shaped Kam Snaps, but I decided I would, you know, you can't see it. So this, I ordered this from the company, and I got the sides in different baggies. So we got the male and female part, so you need one of each. So this part would go inside there. So here we go. Let me put this back. I'm on my ironing board. Don't mind my mess. I'm trying to see what else can you see in my camera. Okay, so here we go. I kind of make a judgment call. So it's about there. I have an owl, and I make my first hole, and I try to be careful so I don't poke myself. So here we go. And this one, I may glue down I glued the bows together. I didn't with this one. I don't know. And I may glue this down once I finish. So we'll see. So here is, I'm trying to check that we can see. Here's the first hole, and you make sure that you push down and get it all get that point all the way out. What's the use of getting a long prong Kam Snap if you're not going to do that? So let's see how I want this to lay again. Here are my ghosts, here are my bows, here is my, okay, so I'm going to do it this way. So the button is going to go on this side. The button is what I call this part. So here we go. Make another hole. We put it in the opposite way. Then we also push it down. This one's a little bit too far out, but, and then we decide what to do. And I ordered this on eBay, and it comes with the case of snap tabs, and all you have to do is squeeze it. And since I have no strength in my hands, I have to kind of give it a few turns. Oh, and there's the first one, and here is the second one, which we put on this way so that part can click in there. The head of the button goes in there, and again we squeeze really, really hard. And it's done. Then all we have to do is assemble a bow. Oh, I have it on backwards, sorry. Okay, there we go. And we put our and there it is. And now we can put this on a headband also. Let me see. Okay. Or there you go. On a headband, or the end of a ponytail holder. It's a ponytail holder. And it goes on the hair. And actually, if this was really stretched out, you could put it on as a bracelet. So, like I said, this one, I may glue the bow to the band. And there we go. Easy peasy, lemon squeezy. I hope you enjoyed this tutorial. Subscribe for more. I will be posting as I make more of these embroidery files that I purchased. And I think the next one, I am going to be making the one with the long and short tails. Thank you for watching. Have a great night, great day, and I'll talk to you soon.